Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to place the master link in chain. This is the link. You have to press this link in this way into these two holes. See, you have to press this link in these two holes like this. So pin 1 and pin 2. Then you have to place this plate into these two pins. Now you could see the plate is pressed into these two pins. Then we have to lock the chain link with this lock. The most important thing while locking the chain link is this U shape. Here you could see there is a open on one side and this piece is U-shaped and closed. This U-shaped and closed position should be placed on the direction of the chain rotation. That means for in this bike the direction of the wheel is this way, so the U should be faced in this way. Now you could see the closed U position is on the direction of the chain rotation or wheel rotation. This is very important, so keep in mind the lock U position should be placed on the direction of rotation of chain. Now we can use a nose plier or cutting plier. Press the lock in this way. Once it's fully locked, okay. Now you could see the lock is fully pressed into the chain link. It's fully locked. Now I will show by rotating the chain. From here you could see the U position is on the direction of rotation of the chain. See, chain rotate in this direction and this closed U position is on the direction of rotation of the chain. That's it. Now we are ready to go. Thank you.